Hello friends! If you are looking for the best new Victorinox watches, you are in the right place. All the watches product buying links are given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Number 6. Victorinox Men's Fieldforce Black, Model 241847. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 10 millimeters. Band material, leather. Number 5. Victorinox Swiss Army Men's I.N.O.X Pro Diver Watch. Water-resistant depth, 660 feet. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Hook buckle clasp. Case material, titanium. Case diameter, 45 millimeters. Case thickness, 14.44 millimeters. Band material, nylon. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army Night Vision. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Double locking fold-over clasp. Case material, titanium. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 13.25 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 21 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar date. Number 3. Victorinox Men's 249085 Original XL Swiss Quartz Watch. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, mineral. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, plastic. Case diameter, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 9.85 millimeters. Band material, nylon. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 21 millimeters. Number 2. Victorinox Maverick Men's Watch 241865. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band. Quartz movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Unidirectional rotating bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Tang clasp. Pull push crown. Case size, 43 millimeters by 13 millimeters. Number 1. Victorinox Fieldforce Black Dial Men's Watch 241855. Black dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Quartz movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Fold over with push button release clasp. Case size, 42 millimeters by 12 millimeters. Band, 21 millimeters. Item shape, round. Display type, chronograph. Fold over with push button release clasp. Band material, stainless steel. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel with a black aluminum ring. Calendar, date. Special features, chronograph, tachymeter, date, hour, minute. Item weight, 5.43 ounces.